Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again, and I got another training for you, another tactical website review where we pick one company out there, one paintless dent or automotive hail repair company. We take a look at their website, some of the things that are working and not working, and make some recommendations. We're going to package that all together in a really nice training video, send it off to the owner. Hopefully provide value first, because that's our motto. We want to make sure that we're helping support the community, helping to grow that paintless dent repair community out there. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of the service providers out there, Dent Vision, and they're out of the Loveland, Colorado area. They actually service Loveland and then one other location, I believe, but let me see here if I can figure that out from their website. So there's 3 questions that you want to answer when you land on a website. Who are you? Why do I care? And what do you want me to do? You know, a lot of traditional websites, they're very informational based. They don't really give you a clear call to action. You've got to scroll in order to figure out what it is that you want to do. And, you know, a lot of websites that we work with, you know, they start off this way. We start to evolve them. We create what's called city pages on the back end that target a specific geographical region. They also have some specific messaging in regards to service offerings and clear calls to action. If you ask yourself, what do you want me to do on this page? There's no real clear call to action. There's a lot of great information, great design work, but again, from a call to action standpoint, there could be some improvements that go there. You know, there is some stuff below the fold when we scroll down. Gives us some information on the company. A lot of who are you, and maybe not so much of why do I care, but a lot of who are you. Here we've got before and after. Looks like that they do service looks like they do PDR and automotive hail repair. Have a lifetime warranty and some of the traditional standard stuff. Map. Contact form at the bottom of the page. Again, your call to actions at the bottom of the page. It's lowest priority. Probably something that is not being engaged with on a regular basis. So from a marketing standpoint, a lot of ways that they could benefit from additional marketing efforts in regards to just restructuring and refocusing their website. Let's take a look at their organic reach and also their paid advertising over the last several months. Oh, it looks like that they currently rank for just under 40 keywords. They were up around 71, so they've lost about 30 to 40% of their keyword rankings. And let me share with you kind of a strategy around accomplishing dominating search when it comes to products and services. And the way that you do this geographically from a local marketing standpoint on your website is you create city pages. And those city pages are very specific to a geographical area. And then they're also specific to a product and or service offering. They work in conjunction with your directory pages like Foursquare, YP.com, Yelp, all those other different directory pages that list businesses associated with their name, address, and phone number, and in a specific geographical area. And then they also work with your business pages like Google, Bing, and Yahoo Small Business. So they can work in order to create a lot of indicators online, not only of what your products and services are, but also where it is that you're located. And we've got a lot of really great training on that you can get in some of our other videos. But if you're looking to improve your organic reach and the amount of and where you rank organically out there in the marketplace, what you want to do if you are a paintless dent or automotive hail repair company is you want to create these city pages and make sure that those city pages are very clear in regards to the description of your products and services. Make sure it mentions the geographical location so they're geo-targeted, and make sure they have a really clear call to action and a strong reason in order to take action. You want to create a really high amount of value on that initial landing page or city page. So that's one of the things that a lot of paintless dent repair companies are missing out on, and you know, we're helping them come through and you know, kind of close that gap in regards to their organic reach. We'll take a look at their paid advertising campaign and on Google, as you can see here, not a lot of paid ads. This is the last ad that they ran, Hale, Fort Worth, Collins, based off the reporting that I'm seeing here. So they're probably not having a lot of success in regards to their paid advertising, and there's a couple of different reasons for that. One of the reasons that I see most frequently is the fact that a lot of companies will go out there and they'll invest heavily in a paid advertising campaign on Google, and they're not utilizing other channels like Facebook and or Instagram. And what we've found is that Google's really good for attracting traffic for people that are searching for a specific product or service. They also use geography in order to target those searches, and it'll drive traffic to your website. But a lot of websites lack those city pages, clear calls to action. They don't convert really well. So you want to make sure that you're focused on driving that initial traffic and converting on the actual website itself, or the landing page is what we call that. We call that initial page that they land on a city page / landing page, and then they move into the sales page in regards to closing and converting appointments or whatever other type of outcome you're looking for. But it goes a step further. Now that you've targeted that traffic and you're pulling it off a line with people who are actually interested in your product and services, you can utilize Facebook in order to retarget that. And that's where we're finding the most success with our customers, is utilizing Facebook to target warm markets, which people who already have a relationship with your brand. They've already seen you. They've searched for your product and service and maybe not converted into a customer. And or your hot markets, people that are existing customers, people that you've done business with and repairs with. Into that hot market, we do our referral and review campaigns, and we also do return and repeat business campaigns to that hot market, and customer appreciation campaigns. To that warm market that we've already targeted, we'll go out there and we'll do just a lead conversion campaign, customer acquisition, customer appointment campaigns, and things of that nature. So it can be incredibly powerful, and it all works together. And if you're not having success on that Google paid advertising campaign, utilize Facebook in order to retarget that traffic and increase conversions, not only for Google, but also on your Facebook ad campaign. So it can be some incredibly powerful processes. We're almost up. We like to do these trainings in 10 minutes or less, give you micro trainings so that you can get as much value as you possibly can. This one really had to do with paid and organic reach and how to improve it for your paintless dent and automotive hail repair company. Hopefully you got some value. I know you probably did if you're thinking about marketing, growing your business in your local market, and or expanding it into neighboring or new markets. So let us know what you thought. Leave a comment. Share this content with other providers that you know might benefit from it, and set up notifications if you're watching this on YouTube. Till the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.